Hi, this is Paul again. I've got another video for you, and this one's called Quad Step Rings for Zig Zag Hill Crop Circles. In the last couple of months I've put out a couple of videos showing how the crop circles can come out of quad step rings. Now these rings go in different ways. The first is the concentric. Let's take a look. These concentric rings consisted of 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. Now there's a second way these rings can be formed, and this is called a nested assembly, like you see in front. Now this was 7-fold, and we used 28 ball rings, 56 ball rings and 84 ball rings. Now we've got another setup. Now I'd like to show you an image of the Zig Zag Hill crop circle. Thanks to Solent Ships for the image. Okay, I've put a bit of thought into this image and I think I can pull it off. We'll start with a 56 ball and a 68 ball quad step rings as shown. Now we'll do exactly the same but flip the two rings around. Now look what happens when we bring in the two sides together. Okay, now you can see it's taking on the shape that we're looking for. Now in front you see the 7 balls are following the outside circle. Now there's another way of looking at it. The 7 balls can follow 2 circles as shown. So okay, let's take a look at the second type first. Now we have a choice of this one being the correct one or the other one being the correct one. But I think we are looking at geometric order in the 2 types. Anyways, I think I've done enough crop circles for today. So this is Paul saying thank you very much for watching my video.